I'm back. It's been a while. We had this holiday in the Netherlands. It's called Sinterklaas. It's a cheap knockoff of Santa Claus, but whatever. We get presents, so that's always good. So I celebrated Sinterklaas with my girlfriend. And when I was in her city, Den Haag, I found this Korean store. Well, Asian supermarket. They sell a lot of Asian food. So I thought like, oh, maybe I should buy some Korean food, react to Korean food. So I bought some Korean food. I bought this one. It's called taco chips, seafood flavor. I got this one. I am pretty familiar with this one because, oh, this is so good. It's like potato chips riced with honey. It's very good. It's so delicious. I also bought this shrimp flavored rice crackers. I got this one, the kimchi ramen. It's like some instant noodle. And of course, I got this, the soju in the apple flavor. So I'm gonna try them. So first, I will begin with the kimchi ramen. So I'm pretty curious. I am really terrible at spicy food, but let's try it. So yeah, I couldn't find any chopsticks, so I'm forced to eat with a fork. But I have filled it up. I've waited 3 minutes. I added the soup base, then I added water. Then I wait 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna taste the kimchi ramen. I'm pretty curious because I know that Koreans love their kimchi. I don't know if that's stereotypical or not, but I have heard a lot of Koreans talking about kimchi, so I guess it's their thing. So I'm pretty curious. And yes, I know how to eat with chopsticks, so let me try this. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, it's pretty spicy. I am probably the worst when it comes to handling spicy food. I'm really terrible. Like, even this small amount of spiciness can make my throat go in flames. But it's kind of tasty. It's on the spicy side. Okay, let me try to drink the soup, the water. I don't know how you call it, I forgot the name. Oh, it's pretty good. It's hot. Okay. The water with all the sauce in it and the stuff is pretty good. Oh, don't fall down. It fell down. A little piece. Okay. It's on the spicy side, like I said quite many times, but it's pretty good. Kimchi ramen by Nongshim. Okay, I'll put it to the side and eat it later. But yeah, it's pretty good. I would recommend it. It's a little bit spicy, but once again, I'm very weak to spicy food, so probably it's not hard to eat, I guess, when you're used to spicy food. Okay, let's try the taco. Let's try the taco chips. I'm pretty curious to this because I love seafood. There we go. Oh, cool. It's the form of an how do you call this thing again? Octopus? It's the form of an octopus. Taco. I know that taco is the Japanese word for octopus. I don't know. I'm not sure how you pronounce it in English, but let's try. Okay, it's pretty tasty. They're so cute. They're in a small form of an... How the hell do you say octopus? Octo, like SpongeBob. Squid? Oh, fuck. It's a squid. Is the squid? Oh well. You know what I mean. I mean this animal. Oh damn. This is really good. And luckily there are a lot of them. Okay. It's once again Nongshim, the same as the kimchi. It says product of Korea. So I hope that these two things are from Korea. Okay, let's put it to the side. But I would recommend the taco chips. Now we have the shrimp flavor crackers. It's in a weird texture. It's also a product of Korea. So I guess Nongshim is a Korean manufacturer for food. Yeah. Whoa! The smell is very strong of seafood. Well, of shrimp. So this is how it looks. Just your regular fry, I guess. Very crunchy. For some reason, I don't taste any shrimp. Shrimp flavored crackers. Okay, wait. Maybe if I eat a lot. Ah. I don't really taste anything special. I don't taste any shrimp. Best before. Is it... No, it's best before August 2019, so this is 1 year good. But... I'm sorry, but I don't taste anything of this. So it's pretty hard to rate. I don't know. Can't taste anything, so this is too bad. I wanted to try it, but I don't taste anything. Oh yeah, by the way, I will rate this 4 out of 10. I like the texture of the crackers. It is pretty crunchy. Too bad I don't taste any shrimp, so that's why it's 4 out of 10. Now this, ooh. Oh. This is an 8 out of 10. It is so good. It's cute. It tastes like seafood. It's cute. It has freaking squid as form of the thing. If you don't find this cute, then I don't know what's cute. But yeah, very tasty. The kimchi ramen. Let me see. I forgot the taste. Oh, that's hot. Let me drink it. I would give it a 7 out of 10. It's too spicy for me, so that's why it's not higher. But it's very tasty, especially the kimchi. I just had a small piece of kimchi, so it's good. But okay, so now you know the numbers. And now this. I have had this before, but I didn't really take any time to experience the real flavor of it. I ate it in a hurry. But this is my favorite so far. This texture is awesome. Like, as you can see, it looks like a freaking sugar. Wait, let me block my face. Anyway, it's really good. If you guys ever see this in a store, I really recommend you to buy it. It's rice snacks with honey. I could eat this every day, all my life. This is a 9 out of 10. And why not a 10? Because the packaging is so freaking small. Bro. You see how small this packaging is? Like, this is nothing. It only has like... Where is how much the weight is? It doesn't say the weight. But anyway, this is a very small package, if you can see. Like, my hand perfectly fits. Can I get this? So I need to buy like 10 of these to eat. But very good. Okay, and now the grand finale. The last stuff of drink is this. The Soju. This is the most famous alcoholic drink in Korea. I have seen a lot of Korean dramas where they drink this, so I'm pretty curious. I don't drink any alcohol. I don't have any alcohol glasses. Like, I've seen that you have to drink it in a shot glass. So I'll just drink it straight off the bottle. So I'm pretty curious. It smells like apple. I can smell the alcohol. It's only 12%, so not that much alcohol. But let's try. I'm pretty curious. That was a small sip. Okay, it's pretty refreshing. Let's do another small sip. Let's see if you guys can see it. Oh, it's pretty good. The alcohol is not too noticeable. It's not too strong. It has a kinda sweet, like little sweet, fresh feel to it. I'm no expert at alcohol, so don't quote me on this. I don't know. I'm just saying what it tastes like to me. And this is my first time reviewing food. So maybe I will do in the future. I don't know. What is my camera doing? It's doing. What the fuck? What are you doing? Okay, well, let's continue. So yeah, as you can see, it's still here now. Now it's still there. Oh, I like it. Ooh. Yeah. I know why they drink this in dramas and why it's the most famous drink in Korea. Yeah, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. It's good. It's not strong. It has a good flavor. It doesn't burn your fucking throat if you drink it. And they have it in different tastes. Like they have peach, pomegranate, apple. They have the normal one, I remember, and they had orange. I don't know. And I think this is the best you can eat with it together. Yeah, it's a good combo. Oh damn, it really tastes good together. So thank you for watching me eat some Korean food. I don't know if you guys liked it. I don't know if I did a good job. This is really new to me. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see me eat more different stuff from other countries or whatever I can get my hands on in the Netherlands, let me know down below. And now I will finish my kimchi, my soju, and my chips. I have to eat it all by myself. I don't care, I'm a freaking fatso, I can eat it easily. So, I'll see you guys later.